She declares a holiday to see Pangborn earned and flight home base. Everybody got everything, made a beeline for the airport. The London Gill was dropping the ocean with increased speed and conserved fuel, but boys made a pretty good thing of that.
Here, on behalf of people in the United States, we want to tell you how happy we are to have in our actual work. Listen, what did you feel about flying over the ocean and like leaving Chiro Beach for about 4 hours was very comfortable. We parked our landing by the time, and then we started flying, and kept colder and colder, and feel it cold too, and didn't realize how cold it was until we went to drink water from one of our canteens and found water frozen in it. Knew then cold was. We not down here on the coast. Of course, we had to prep for bang when we landed. We had a few ropes tied and hanging on to another. Even with the preparation, we both got up the bumps. Turned his eye back and broke the windshield back in my head. Watching turn my head back.
Flying along in the cool island, finding on door lights, the gal underneath the clouds. We rode up notes back and forth to each other. Whether we'd landed yet or not. Finally decided it was about 7 in the morning. If we did,